Hi, I'm Linda and I'm a member of the My Little Shoebox design team. And today we're going to show you how to do the Helen's new 3D roll-up flowers. In each of her collections, she has a sheet of die-cut flowers like this one. This is from Winter Wonderland, and it has flowers here and it has banners down here. So we're going to choose two of these and make flowers today. The first flower is one that has a fun edge, so it makes a really pretty flower. And once you take it out of it, then you just pull the pieces so they're loose. And then we're going to use a tool, and it's very easy to use. You can use your fingers, I'm going to use some tweezers just to show that you can do it with just about anything. We're going to put the tweezers right at the end here, and then we're going to start turning it and going around the circle of the flower, just holding the flower loosely in your hand and going around so that you're rolling it up as you go. It's very easy to do, and the result is definitely worth it. Just keep going all the way around because you have lots of, it's a long one, there are narrow pieces. So we get to the end, and then we have the little flap, and we'll leave that there. So I'm going to pull this out, and it looks really funny right now. So I'm going to turn it loose on the table so that it loosens up. See, you can loosen it with your hand as you go around and make it into a larger flower. So there we have a flower. Then we're going to put a glue dot on the back of this flower so that it will hold it together, and then you can put it on your work. So we're going to open this little flap. We're going to put the glue dot on the back and pull it off so that it stays on there. Then we're going to turn this and put it to the back of the flower, and there you have turned your flower over and you have your center. So there you have a flower from a smaller one. Over here I have some samples of some other flowers that we have. You can see some are larger, some are smaller. The next flower we're going to do will look a little different, and that's nice because you get a different effect. This one, I'm going to use this tool, but again you can use tweezers or something else. And we're going to bend the petals so that when it turns up, it will be look really flared out and really pretty. I'm just holding it in the back and flipping this over so that it bends the petals. And I'm just working my way around the flower, just like this. You want to be careful that you don't tear the part of the flower that's holding the petals, because then it makes it a little difficult. See, I'm almost to the end. There we go. See, they're all turned. Okay, now I'm going to use this tool, and we're going to do the same thing that we did with the first one. I'm going to slip the end of this onto the flower. See how it grabs a hold, and then I'm going to hold it and get it started. And then we're going around just like we did with the other flower. And we're just going around. We're trying to keep the inside fairly even, but in the end it is not going to matter that much. Okay, and then we have the flap. So I'm going to pull this from the flower, and we're going to let it go again so that it evens out, and then we can move the petals a little bit so we get the desired effect of however you want the flower to be. So then we're going to turn it over again, and I'm going to put a glue dot on the back, and then you're going to have two different flowers that we've made. So put this on the back, and then you're going to, these things are really sticky, push it to the back of the flower, and there you have another flower, and then you can adjust it as you like. So there you have another flower out of the same die cuts. Now you can take these flowers and you can put use your finger and put a little bit of glue on the tips of the edges and put it into glitter, and it really makes a pretty flower. Or you can use like stickles and take the stickles and just touch the edges as you go around and let it dry. I usually put some kind of pearl or a bead or something in the middle just to finish it off. So here you have several flowers that we've made. I'm going to show you a couple things that I've used. This is Winter Wonderland, and I've just used a background flower. I've put some glitter on this, and you can turn it any way you want. It goes like on the corner or on a page of an album. This is a layout that I've done, and here are the flowers on the edges. They're over some lace, and there's some pearls involved in it, and again there's some glitter and pearls in the center. So there are lots of ways you can use them, and I hope you have as much fun as we do when we make them ourselves. So don't be afraid, just give it a shot and you'll do a really good job. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.